Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be writing all these numbers and finding out the missing ones. Let us get started. 1. Here comes 2. 3. Here comes 4. This is 5. Here comes 6. This is 7. Here comes 8. This is 9. Here comes 10. This is 11. Here comes 12. This is 13. Here comes 14. This is 15. Here comes 16. This is 17. Here comes 18. This is 19. And here comes 20. Thank you kids for writing all these letters and finding the missing ones. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.